what's up? I'm Colleen and welcome to my channel. I'm just a girl who's enthusiastic about makeup and positivity. When I say positivity, I mean bringing people up, not pushing people down. Being mean is not cool. Awesome people are not mean, so be kind all the time. So for today's video, I'm so excited. I am doing my first palette bingo, and I'm actually doing it as a collab with the amazing KimberlyElle. KimberlyElle is adorable. I love her. I will of course link her channel and her video below. I'm very excited to see what look she created with the palette that we chose. I actually found KimberlyElle probably like 7 or 8 months ago. I was looking for a review on Lovelux Beauty's Pastel Princess palette because not a lot of people had talked about it, and when I typed it in, her channel was the first one that came up, so I watched it and thought that she was absolutely adorable, loved her, immediately subscribed, and I have not regretted it. She's just a really bubbly, cute, adorable person. She really loves makeup. You can tell that she enjoys what she does on her channel. She's good at makeup. I enjoy her content. I trust what she says. If she likes something, I believe that she actually likes it, and if she doesn't, she doesn't. I just think she's great, so definitely go check her out. She's adorable and lovable and just a really great makeup channel. Again, another one full of, like, you know, bubbly positivity, which I love, because when I'm watching videos on YouTube, that's what I'm looking for. You know, people who just are spreading what they love, like doing makeup or reviewing movies or talking about other products, just the things that they love, just bringing positivity in a time when there's a lot of, you know, negativity going on. So anyway, so excited again to be doing this collab with the beautiful KimberlyElle. Like I said before, her info will be linked below. So for this collaboration, which I'm super psyched that she wanted to do this with me, we decided to do a palette bingo with the Colourpop Disney Midnight Masquerade palette, because it's a palette that we both have. So we figured, why not, let's just do this one. I did a review on this. I'll link it in the card above over here. I think it's on this side. It might be on this side. You think I would know, but I don't. In case you're interested in that. But this was a palette that I first opened it up, I was like half disappointed, and then I just started using it and I just found it to be absolutely beautiful. I don't know if it just like wasn't as bright as I was anticipating, but this is what it looks like inside. I mean, the artwork on it is stunning. And this ended up being a palette that I really, really like. So I love that we're using this for our oh my god, palette bingo. Okay, so I'm gonna stop rambling, and I actually have a number generator up on my computer behind me, so I'm gonna pull some. We're doing 5 shadows because bingo is 5 letters, so I figured we would do 5 shadows. There's 15 shadows in here, so let's see what I get. So the first one I got is 5, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's this one here, Mama Odie. I actually should probably grab a pencil and write this down. So then I got 4, so that is Enchanted right next to it. Nine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, okay, I got a pressed glitter Royal Ball right here. Okay, I got 5 again. It shouldn't do that. 3. So that is Pip right here. And the final one, 7. So 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I got the second pressed glitter in Floating Lantern. So the 5 colors I am working with are Pip, Enchanted, Mama Odie, Floating Lantern, and Royal Ball. I'll swatch them for you. So Pip is this one. Enchanted is this one. Mama Odie is this one. Mama Odie is actually one of my favorite colors in the whole palette. Then Floating Lantern is this glitter right here. And Royal Ball is this other glitter right here. So those are the 5 colors that I am working with. So let's get into creating a look with those 5 colors right now. Okay, so I just primed my eyes. So the first color I'm going to go in with is the lighter color Pip that I got right here. And I'm just taking that on a Wayne Goss 17 brush. I treated myself to some of his brushes because his lipsticks came out, so I ordered one and I got Zinnia. I really liked it. I probably won't wear it in this video because I don't think it'll go with the look that I have in mind, but I'll eventually pop it in a video. So I am just going to go back and forth on my crease area with Pip. This is my favorite mirror. KimberlyElle actually has Kimberly's the same mirror as me. We both are like big fans of Sleeping Beauty, so that's a lot of fun. This is my favorite mirror of all time. Sleeping Beauty is my absolute favorite fairy tale, in case you didn't know. I have like I have her picture hung up back there because I'm a big dork. And my Sleeping Beauty palettes a lot of the time on display in the back. These colors blend out like really smooth. I really like them a lot. People, I feel like with Colourpop, either like love it or hate it. I happen to really enjoy it. So, I mean, not everything is like a super like, you know, #1 win. But for the most part, I have enjoyed all of the products that I have gotten from Colourpop. And I like that they're affordable. Because, you know, I'm not loaded. So I can't always afford to go and buy, you know, $150 Natasha Denona palette, but I want a palette that has, you know, fun colors in it and stuff. So it's great that there are companies out there that aren't horrendous, that are offering products at a bunch of different prices. So anyway, now I'm going to go in with the, I'm gonna go in with the Wayne Goss 19, and I'm gonna go into Enchanted right here. As usual, I'm back to holding the palettes in an awkward position in front of the camera. And I'm gonna put this in the middle part of my crease. Because this is more of like an orangey color. I wouldn't say it's necessarily like darker, it's just a different tone. I'm just gonna repeat that on the other eye. And then I just want to take the brush that I had Pip on and just kind of blend between the two, just so, you know, there's no harsh lines or anything. Now I want to take a pencil brush and I'm going to go into Mama Odie right here. And I'm going to apply that to my brow bone. I love this color for your brow bone, especially for your inner corner, because it's kind of like a duochrome. And it's just, it picks up a lot of color. It has like almost like a greenish-y under, like, switch to it. So it's really pretty. And then again, just gonna pick the brush that I had Pip on it. I'm picking the brush that I had Pip on. Yes, I'm picking this brush up that I had Pip on, and I'm going through and brushing where I put Mama Odie. Oh my freaking god. It's like middle of the day too on a Friday, so this should not be, I shouldn't be having trouble speaking. Now I'm just going to go in with a flat brush and I'm going to cut my crease, which I'm not very good at, but I still try and do it all the time anyway. Like, I know what I'm doing, so yeah. So like that. And I should mention I used a P. Louise base to cut my crease with. And I actually want to just, I hope this is allowed, I want to set it. I'm not using another eyeshadow. I'm just using a setting powder from Besame Cosmetics that I just want to use to just, I just want to make sure that the shadow is set, and I didn't get any colors in the bingo that I could use to set it, so I'm just gonna go in with a face powder. So I hope that's not cheating. It's also Disney themed. It's from the Sleeping Beauty Besame. It's from the same thing. So I want to take the brush that I had Enchanted on and just go around the tops where the cut crease and Enchanted met, just to smooth it out a little bit. So like that. And now I'm going to use the two glitters that I got, which were Royal Ball and Floating Lantern, but I actually want to apply some glitter glue over the cut crease, just to give it like an extra, you know, sticky base for it. I mean, actually their glitters aren't too bad by themselves, but it can't, glitter glue doesn't hurt. Loose glitters are one of the, I mean not loose glitters, pressed glitters are one of those like either you love it or you hate it kind of things in palettes. What do you guys prefer? Do you like using pressed glitters in your makeup looks? Do you like using glitter at all? Do you just think it shouldn't be included? I'm like whatever, like if I don't like it, I don't hate it, and if I use it, I use it. If I don't, I don't. I'll just ignore it in the palette. It is what it is. So I'm just going to go into Floating Lantern, which is the pink color, and I am going to apply that to, my mobile lid. Being a little light with it at first, just because I don't want it to be like insane. And then I'm going to go on the inner part of my eye. And now I just want to brush my finger off, because then I want to go into Royal Ball, which is the lighter glitter, and put that in the center. So it'll look like this. I'm just gonna clean it up and finish this eye, and I will be right back. This is my final look right here. It's definitely very, very sparkly. I think it's cute. I normally wouldn't have used that many pressed glitters, but it is what it is. I apologize. I forgot to bring you guys back on to show you what I did to my under eye. All I did was go in with the color with Enchanted again under my lower lash line, and applied Fenty's gel liner and Lady Lagoon to my waterline, and then went into my inner corner with Mama Odie for a little bit of pop of lightness, and that was it. And then I just put mascara on, and that was it. Kimberly also always has like the best lashes. She can wear like great false lashes. I've mentioned this before, but I don't know when was the last time I mentioned it. I cannot wear false lashes. Lash glue irritates, like, I mean irritates my eyes the second it like touches the top of my eye. It just, my eyes start burning and watering and it's crazy, and it's all different types of glues. I've tried all different ones. A couple of weeks ago I had the brilliant idea. I'm like, I could totally wear lashes. I'm just gonna totally try it again. Bad idea. It was like abort right away. As soon as it like touched my eye started burning. I like almost glued my eye together because like it burned so much and I couldn't see. And it was like abort, and yeah, so we're not doing that again. I've tried like the magnetic ones too, and they work like okay, but I don't think I'm like a lash person, because even with the magnetic ones, like I could totally feel them and it drives me crazy. So you know what? I'll just deal with my natural lashes. So here they are, my natural lashes with mascara on, and they are definitely sisters and not twins, and they love to do their own thing and not cooperate, but here they are. I'm not really sure why, you know, I announced my lashes like that. So anyway, thank you once again to Kimberly for doing this collab with me. I really enjoyed it. Please go and check out her channel. She is awesome. I can't wait to see what look she came up with the colors that she got, because I don't know. I have lipstick on my teeth. That is stunning. On my lips, I just finished up with this Dose of Colors liquid lip in Nude Mood, and then put a little bit of this Aromaleigh lip gloss in the color Aurora over for a little bit of shine. This smells like Tootsie Rolls, so it's delicious. I mean, obviously not to eat it, but it smells good. So anyway, if you liked this video, please feel free to give it a like. If you really like this video, please feel free to subscribe. If you want to do neither one of those things, can't talk in this video. If you want to do neither one of those things, that is totally fine. Thank you for stopping by and sharing this minute with me. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much. I will send you positive thoughts and happy thoughts and positive vibes your way. What is going on? Just for stopping by. A normal person would reshoot this, but I'm just gonna leave it in because this is when you sign up for my channel, this is what you're getting. So hello. Anyway, as always, I will list everything that I'm wearing on my face, as well as my Twitter and Instagram handles in case you want to follow me there. I post pictures of looks that I do not film, as well as pictures of my pets, and I think they are the cutest little things ever. But of course, I am biased, and I believe we are all biased when it comes to our fur babies, but too bad. So anyway, from one makeup lover to another, I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and remember, be you, do you, love you. Bye!